Hey everyone, hope you're doing well today. Beautiful Saturday afternoon here in the UK. I'm off to do a shamanic workshop with Les Fuller down at the Atlantis Spiritual Centre. Les is one of the most credible shamanic practitioners in the UK, probably in Europe, maybe even the world. This guy is phenomenal. So I'm going to be heading down there in a second. Okay guys, so we are here at Atlantis. We're going to go in and have a little look at this shop. This is beautiful. You need any crystals or you wanted some healing, these guys do absolutely everything. So we're going to show you the shop. Let's have a little look.
If I could see you again, I don't know where to start. I've tried to fix every wound with this lone heart. I'd see that siren smile while I'd find a way to breathe.
Hey, so we've just had our first part of our shamanic training and education this morning. Les Fuller is an absolute genius. Hopefully we might be able to get him on camera a little bit later, but I can't film inside because it's a sacred space. We don't really want that in there.
I've tried to fix every wound with this lone heart. I'd see that siren smile while I'd find a way to breathe. But the way that your eyes shatter mine, I will be defeated.
Okay, so we've just come out of the shamanic course with Les Fuller today. Absolutely one of the best meditation journeying shamanic course I've been on. I had a girl come in there, Shelley, who works, we're going to be filming her tomorrow. Absolutely singing and the drumming going, just incredible. What an experience. Never had anything like that. The energy is just absolutely fantastic. So I feel absolutely alive. I'm going to go over to the pub, have a drink with Tony, and we're going to see you in a bit. Okay guys, hope you're doing well. So just had a fantastic day. Still really enjoying the energy and what it's brought for us today. Just sitting there having a chat and how good today was. So tomorrow we are going to be filming inside the spiritual centre with one of the classes. I've got permission to do that, so watch out for tomorrow's vlog. We're going to be bringing you a lot of stuff, and we've also got a singer who is on today as well. Going to be phenomenal. So keep an eye out for tomorrow's vlog, guys, and we will see you soon. So talking about Les, his energy and something he brings to your space is you've never felt anything like this. If you don't know who Les Fuller is, you've got to check him out. You can check his website out at crowtribe.co.uk. They've got a festival coming up in August as well, 2-day festival, all about just learning how to drum, learning all workshops. So it's going to be a real good, intense 2 days. But tomorrow's class, we've got all about the resins, learning all about the herbs, how you can heal with certain plants. Really looking forward to this, and I'm really enjoying delving into this new knowledge. Being around Les today, his wisdom is years and years old, and he just brings something to the table of anything you ask him, he just knows it. Boom, boom, boom. He's practiced this for years and years and years, and you can tell he is a master at this. I'm just blown away about my personal journey, which is why I'm doing this vlog, because I want to take you on this spirituality journey with me, so you can see me how I grow and how my life will change by doing this. It's like you've got to have a coach in your life, and Les is now one of my coaches, 100%, because his knowledge, like I was saying, his knowledge in this industry, in this area, I've never seen anyone like this. Just you're going to enjoy this journey. I hope you're going to enjoy this journey with me. So we're going to be making a special part on my page, all about spirituality, all about doing good, personal development, and I'm going to take you on that and show you what I do every day. So we'll be doing meditations, we'll be doing journeying. I've got a drum coming as well. I ordered a drum a few weeks ago. That's the intentions that we'll put into that drum. I can't wait to get my hands on it, and I'll introduce you to Grant when we go and pick it up. The energy around this is attracting fantastic people who all are out to do good and share this knowledge with the people of the world, and that's definitely something I want to be part of too. Grow, I want to progress. Progress is perfection, by the way. There's no such thing as perfection. Progress is perfection. So if you're not growing, you're dying. I love you and leave you. We're going to be seeing you on tomorrow's vlog. Hope you got some value from this. Like I say, it might not be for everyone, but I want to take you on my journey and show you what I'm doing, my spirituality work that's helping me grow as a person, and the energy that I'm getting from it as well. So hopefully you can pick up something from this as well. By the end of the 2-year course, I will be a fully practitioner, be able to go out and heal people, be able to go and work with the elements, and just give people the good healing that they need, So this is what I'm doing now. So I'm learning how to be a shamanic practitioner on the side. This is my love, this is my passion as well. So I want you to be on that journey with me. I'm Joby Bowie. We will see you soon. Peace.
I just can't surrender. I just can't surrender.